In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding the process of replication in E. coli. Option A, the DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in 5' to 3' as well as 3' to 5' direction. This is incorrect because DNA-dependent DNA polymerase can only catalyze polymerization in 5' to 3' direction. Though it has 3' to 5' exonuclease activity for proofreading, but this is not polymerization. Option B, the DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in 5' to 3' direction. This is correct. As already stated, in prokaryotes like E. coli, during replication, the DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes the polymerization only in one direction, that is 5' to 3'. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, the DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in one direction, that is 3' to 5'. This is incorrect because polymerization occurs only in 5' to 3' direction. Option D, the DNA-dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes polymerase in one direction, that is 5' to 3'. Now, this is incorrect in the present context because this enzyme is required during transcription, but the question is regarding replication.